So once we have done all these steps of configuring the subdomains and all that, so we return to our machine in the installation folder, and there we do a sudo docker compose e. There it will turn green once everything has turned green. And we will open a web page where there I will write training n week. It's a little faster, training n8n.biofmwork.com, and I will fall on the configuration page of my n week. So there I will choose, say, my email address hop, and there we don't care. Here we can do this to receive the key. I'm going to Skype it because I'm going to do a reinstall anyway. And your key does just that. You go to settings, the enter activation quiz, and you will enter it here. So this is how we install n8n. And so if I go to the other sites, there I will look. Suddenly the study run, we see that it is well installed. Great. And there goes see if the PGMMI worked well. So it is well installed too. Here I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And on this, well, I wish you a good day.